Hello, friends. Today we will discuss about handmade paper products. Every product nowadays is manufactured with the help of machines, perhaps where every other product requires a machine in the manufacturing process. Some products are handmade in which no machines are involved. The handmade paper items are one of the most popular things that are completely human-made. A suitable thing about paper products is that they are crafted in different shapes and sizes according to one's requirement. Different types of cool and appealing paper products like handmade greeting cards, paper diaries, journals, notebooks, and many more are mentioned below. Handmade greeting cards. Handmade greeting cards are the custom greeting cards created without using any machine or equipment because the cards are completely handmade. The speciality of handmade greeting cards is that the cards are made of handmade paper, which looks quite fascinating. Not only the greeting cards have amazing shapes, but also glossy colors that make these handmade cards pretty as a picture. The quality feature about the cards is that they can be customized as per the requirements and are a great choice to give as a souvenir. One can prefer handmade paper greeting cards because they are cost-effective as well as attractive, which is one of the best things about these cards. Handmade paper diaries, journals, and notebooks. Handmade paper diaries are a perfect choice as the papers are made using delicate hand methods, which makes the quality of the paper durable and long-lasting. In the manufacturing of handmade papers, cotton rugs and different waste materials are used as the fibers are made up of cloth rags, cellulose fibers from plants and trees. The outer covers of the handmade notebooks have wonderful printings which are an art crafted from hands. Other objects made from handmade papers are handmade journals. Traditional bookbinding methods are used while making them, and recyclable materials like old book pages are also used to add to the outer looks of these handmade journals. Hinge lid storage box. The hinge lid storage boxes are attractive storage containers with quite enough space to keep different home items. The hinge lid box is used to collect important items to give a sophisticated look to the corners of the office or home study tables. These hinge paper boxes can also be used as tabletop Christmas decorations with storage so that every essential item is accessible to the user without hesitating to get in and out of the table chair, and adds to the charm of the table. A bookshelf is also a great place for these handmade storage boxes. Altogether, hinge boxes are a perfect paper option to keep all your belongings and add color to your surrounding. Handcrafted newspaper print box. The handcrafted newspaper print boxes are different types of boxes that are made with newspapers. The best thing about these news-printed boxes is that they are available in small and big sizes. These are made of old newspapers, and mostly various designs are printed on them. The newspaper print box is also used as storage boxes to add to your home decors. The handcrafted newspaper print boxes can be used everywhere, including places like homes and offices, because they will give both official and cool look at the same time. Handmade nested box. Handmade nested boxes are made up of handmade papers. These nested boxes are handmade and up of rigid materials like cardboard and can be a great decor option when kept in the kitchens, storage rooms, or you can even use these to gift presents to your loved ones and relatives. All above are the various types of handmade paper products that can be used for various applications. To know more about handmade paper products, visit at www.in-mark.com. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.